ReservHub Quick Tip: How to add a walk-in guest. In this ReservHub Quick Tip, I'll show you how to add a walk-in guest from the dashboard and from the live floor plan. Start from the ReservHub dashboard. When a guest arrives without a booking, open the walk-in option. First, choose the table and service details. You can manually select an available table by checking the live availability list, or you can let ReservHub assign a suitable table automatically using AI. The date and guest information fields are not required. If you do not enter guest details, ReservHub can save the booking as a no-name walk-in. But if you do enter a phone number, and the guest has visited before, the customer details can be filled in automatically. Once the details are ready, confirm the walk-in. The new walk-in is now added to the system, and can be managed alongside your reservations. There is also another way to add a walk-in directly from the floor plan. Open the live floor view and choose the table you want to use. For example, double-click Table 14 and select Walk-in from the menu. The walk-in form opens with that table already selected, making the process quick and easy. The walk-in and waitlist buttons work in a similar way. Guest details are optional for both, so your team can move quickly during busy service. ReservHub helps restaurants manage walk-ins, waitlists, reservations and tables from one smart platform.